Hello guys, welcome back to BMG Drive. So today's video is going to be special. I don't make brain rot videos a lot, and seeing a brain rot video is quite rare for me. So we are just going to get into it. But before we get into it, what exactly counts as flint and steel coming from a car? So it's basically when a piece of metal gets scratched against another surface and sparks fly out of it. Like, let's just say this. You saw some sparks, right? Oh, come on. We already have a flint and steel counter from that. It's gonna double every single time. Let's get into it. Ugh, I'm getting kind of hungry, so I guess let's just go through this drive-through. Oh, come on. I just want to have some food in my car, but the queue is massive. Let me just... Maybe I could actually squeeze through here. But wait, there's a flint and steel counter, so I have to be pretty careful. Okay, I'm gonna start driving slowly. Okay, I made it. Yeah, hello sir. I didn't pay at the kiosk. So, can I just get a burger and some fries? Thank you. Oh my god, bro. This guy, he actually just pushed in. I've been waiting in this queue for 30 minutes. Stupid. Ow, 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 my neck. My god. Okay. That's 1 times 2.
Flint and steel, flint and steel.
So, now we are headed to the petrol station. As I do need more fuel, I'm running quite low. Okay. So this Royal Mail truck, he cut me off and crashed into the side of my car. But my car is built different, so the door just got a tiny dent. The worst thing is that the flint and steel counter is going up. So he crashed into me, that's one. And then my burst tire hit the curb. And then it also got some sparks flying out of it. And then I finally crash into this vandalized speed camera. And also get a ticket at the same time, which is pretty bad.
Flint and steel, 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 flint and steel.
So I just got my car repaired, and it was all covered by my insurance. Since this car has absolutely no horsepower, the insurance was pretty chill about my car getting repaired. So I do have a bit of money for some free time, so let's do it. Oh my gosh, go-karting is actually so fun. I've never experienced these G-forces on my normal car. Sadly, my time's almost up, so I may need to get back to my car. I finished go-karting, and now I'm going home. Oh, got into that?
Flint and steel, 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 flint and steel.
Guys, if you don't understand why the flint and steel played, well, that's because we are touching flint. So I arrived to my house. Guess where it is? Yeah, exactly. This is the West Coast life. Here it is, a mattress. Bro, what that plane doing? Oh my gosh! Ow! That rough landing just sent a piece of debris going into my mattress. Wait. Anything which touches the mattress, it touches me. And then if it touches me,
flint and steel, 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 flint and steel. Flint and steel, 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 flint and steel.